Hey y'all, so for Cosmic Crisp I created this really special but simple recipe. It is a sparkling salt, and all it is are a few special ingredients that make for a really nice holiday gift. So in a wide shallow bowl I have mixed together granulated sugar and this sparkling sugar, which is the largest granule that you can find. You can find this very easily online. And I've mixed it together in this bowl, and I found this smoked applewood salt that gives it this woodsy, appley smell that makes it really, really special. And then online, I found these spruce tips, which are picked at the border of Canada, and they mailed them to me along with these juniper berries. Very simple, but a nice special touch for the holidays. Now for the spruce tips, you want to make sure that you put them in the microwave and dehydrate them. So take them off the branches, put them in between paper towels, pop them in the microwave for 2 minutes, and they dry nicely, but they have that beautiful pine scent that we all love for the holidays. And then when we put them in, we've got this beautiful, sparkly, sugary, salty mix that looks great and tastes great on a charcuterie board with these beautiful Cosmic Crisp apples. Now another special touch that we're adding to this, we're actually taking the Cosmic Crisp apple, we're slicing it really, really thin, putting them on a room to baking sheet in the oven at 200 degrees. In about an hour and a half, they kind of ruffle up and dry. But they have this beautiful apple smell that it really is special to Cosmic Crisp. I'm going to drop these in some cute little gift jars, maybe chop some of these up, and mix it all together, and then put a red ribbon around it, a cosmic red ribbon around it, and then give these gifts for the holidays. You can find the recipe and tips for this on cosmiccrisp.com or chadwickboydlifestyle.com. Have a great holiday.